What's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram chat theme option not showing. So first of all, you're going to have to make sure that your Instagram application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and then here search for Instagram. If you see update, select update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. Next, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, here select apps. Now in here, you're going to have to search for Instagram again. And let's go ahead and clear some cache. So select storage and clear cache. Now I would also recommend you to clear the data, but only clear the data if you remember your Instagram credentials. Lastly, select force stop, then select OK. Now as you do that, all you have to do is restart your device, launch your Instagram, and the option will be visible to you. If it's still not working, then you could try using your Instagram via a web browser. Wait for a couple hours and that option will automatically appear in your Instagram app. Thank you for watching.